Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the abortion is absolute right of woman. Here you can follow me. Our quotation, today's quotation is joy is what happens to us when we allow ourselves to recognize how good things really are. Our one-liner questions are right to equality is the fundamental right under which article? India introduced Medical Termination Act in which year after Argentina? Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 2020 increased termination by 22 how many weeks? India's rank is in maternal deaths. Our rank need to be tell. Sustainable Development Goal 5 is women need consent of parents. Oh, I'll give you the half answer. Okay, then next. Another which one of consent needed for abortion? Tell me. The amendment. Our question is the amendment to the abortion law retains the notion that state must intervene in what is a woman's absolute right. Explain. You can add these quotation, or if you don't have any quotation, no need to add. A woman has fundamental right to choose for herself. Said by Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Another one is many times law steps into change the ills in the society, but it is not able to change it because of the social norms and mentality which is not ready to change, like dowry, said by Supreme Court Judge A.K. Sikri. Then we are living in 21st century where Constitution of India provides us right to equality, Article 14 to 18, and right to life and privacy, Article 21. But due to patriarchy, woman still doesn't have right to decide about her own pregnancy. We have Medical Termination Act 1971. After Argentina, India decided to legalize abortion through this act, which is recently amended and provides some benefits, but it still have the notion that state must intervene. How state intervene? Let's start. Woman alone can't Woman alone can't decide about her pregnancy. She must depend on the mercy of the doctor. Medical termination increased by 20 to 24 weeks, but after that, only some women can terminate their pregnancy. Single medical board decide about abortion. Then women need consent for her parent and guardian if she is minor. Our concerns are not providing proper autonomy and dignity to the woman. It follows need-based approach rather than wanting abortion. It was not providing reproductive rights, human rights. No time limit decided for medical board, which is cause of delay and increase risk of death of mother. It may increase female foeticide. It may refuse the right of the woman for safe abortion. Rural women hardly reach doctors and hospitals. Privacy concerns for minor girls. If she wanted to terminate her pregnancy and doesn't want to reveal, laws doesn't allow her because she need parent and guardian consent. Lack of intersectionality and focused on selective vision. We can also give benefits of it. Help to provide safe abortion, medical institutions. Termination term increased from 20 to 24 weeks. Medical practitioner not reveal the information about the abortion. Provider base increased for rape victims and other victims. Helpful for unmarried women, reduce maternal mortality. Our way forward would be medical termination law should be more progressive and familiar to the woman, need to provide more autonomy to the woman, and abortion or choice must be her own. Need to focus on women's human and fundamental rights. Government, family, doctors need to understand that they can't restrict her for her choice and safe abortion. We need to change the patriarchal mindset. We need to include various sections of the society like transgenders and other genders must and must spread the awareness about it. Our conclusion would be, we have all the technologies in 21st century, but still we are not able to bring our women to enjoy the fruits of humanity. That is the harsh reality which need to be changed, because denial of abortion leads to unsafe termination. According to Guttmacher Institute report 2015, 78% of abortion happened outside of the health facilities, most of them unsafe and cause of death, and India ranked third in maternal deaths. If we provide autonomy to women, we can achieve our gender equality to some extent, which is Sustainable Development Goal 5, and also save women's life. Answers of one-liner question. Right to equality is fundamental right under Article 14 to 18. India introduced after Argentina in 1971 the Medical Termination Act. Medical termination period increased by 20 to 24 weeks. India's rank is third. Sustainable Development Goal 5 is gender equality. Women need parent and guardian consent for abortion. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. And also tell me, fundamental rights comes under which part of the constitution? Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.